Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this video we are gonna talking about Math.log method. So as you know by now, by looking at it, it's give you the logarithm based e of number, which that is the log in mathematics. So and when we do that, it will give you the argument as the value of base e. So let's begin. So if we do directly, like, log it on a console and create math.log and pass something like 2, it will give you this. If you give you 1, it's just give you 0, because log 1 by 1 is 0. So this is what it does. And this, now what I'm gonna do is create a function which will give you base log and pass two parameters called x and comma y. And after that, what we're gonna do is return math.log and paste y. And after that, what we're gonna do is math.log x. When we do that, it's gonna return that. And now our usual way you to use the functions base log, and what we're gonna paste is 2 comma 8. So when we do that, it will give you 3, the usual way. And if you want to get like big methods like log 265 so what we need to do is 5 commas 625. When we're done with that, it will give you 4. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.